Whoa. Come here often? Do this often? Clean this up often? Who does? Hopefully not me. All right, I've got the job. You convince me. What the... Dude. You cumin the macaron? Spilling it out in reverse? Bionicle pieces? What are those actually? Looks like pastas. Infinite reverse videos. Wow, how specific. What? Wait, what? Hello? So much glittums. Is it stuck to the water? What are you doing? Quit playing with my feelings. Whoa, what is this? Besides paint and pancakes and handprints and memories and enchiladas. I don't know why that's the first folded food that came to my mind, but what? You really got me wondering what's possible out there. Even balloon animals made of gold and bananas? Even balloon... Listen to yourself. You sound ridiculous. Clearly making a blade, some sort of weapon, some sort of golden banana from Donkey Kong 64. It's free. Wait, why does your cat like BTS so much? I guess whatever he's into. I can't even tell if I've seen this before, dude. Your cat does so many similar things all together mixed up. But this is new to me. Oh, he's making the Baby Bell AirPods yet again. Gotta get it nice and sliced into pieces for the ants. Slave all day over a piece of cheese. Just a little off the top there, boss. Yeah, thanks. And the boss is a cat. I like your cut, G. I like your cat, G. Got that oopy goopy. That's Sandy Randy. Sounds even worse, sorry. Big apologies. Behind the scenes, my favorite artist. How does a cat have so much machines for doing nothing? How do you have so much machines for doing nothing? Oh my god. Can you do this one, please? I don't even understand the questions you guys are asking. The fan base for this cat person doesn't even make sense. Oscar! One or two of what? You're... What? He's sucking the suckers! Oscar! My boy! What was that? Is this all him? Jesus, stop being Oscar. Spin me right round, baby. Please, please. Dang it. It's not possible, I don't think. I could scoop y'all symmetric-like. Debatably better. Put me in the crosshair. Ugh. It's like a ghost is combing my sideburns. And I've got messed up Barney hair. David Beckham? What are you gonna do with that? Oh. He's doing it. He's bending it like Beckham. He's ballooning it like Beckham's. Wait, what? I didn't know he had hands under that knife. Okay, what are you doing now? Oh. If David Beckham's in there, I'm gonna lose my mind. Wait. Whoa. Are you saving this balloon's life? Who's gonna pop first, it or me? Ah! What is this? Popsicles? But made of sponge. I don't like that. I'll have the regular one, please. Rat's mini makeup. Oh, with the tappy tappies? The one you listen to in the library, but it's so loud for being an object. I'm not judging. Brats are the ones with the big deformed faces, right? Yeah, I remember. Okay, but what is this? Oh, it's tiny makeup for your tiny eyes. Unlike theirs, which are huge. Just the way it be. I mean, it is very small. Put the whole woman in there, huh? Oh, okay. Now no one will hear the screams. I mean, there won't be any because I taped my mouth shut and put my anti-scream mechanism on. Oh my god! What does that do? Make you beautiful? It works! Oh. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Pink sauce eggy weggies for brekkie. Oh no, these are Nilla wafers that I made from special. Uh-huh. Couple of glue guys. In me, what is this thing actually called? A cauldron? A cum cauldron? No! No! Don't put me on. Burger King. Really have never listened to what the Burger King had to say in one of these food reviews. And today will not be that day, because this is gummy food. What? I've been swindled. Imagine not trying the squishy Whopper from Burger King today. The ASMR burger. The foamy fries and the solid bev. What the? Oh, no Yahtzee. Oh, it's goo. What the? Slime burger. Bizarre. What is that doing in there? Let it out. You poked it. Okay, we're getting closer. I don't know. What's going on? Yeah, I'll have a tall one on the rocks, but keep the drink and only the rocks, please, and make sure there's sand. Thanks. Squish them down real nice, just the way Mama used to make. Thanks. One scoop of yellow, and that, please. Metro Boomin, let them know. Pop-Tart. But it's not Pop-Tart. Is it? I don't know how to read, dude. No, it's Pop-Tart for sure. I can tell. That, on the other hand, is too small to be a Pop-Tart. Good try trying to trick me. I would just hate to be your roommate. Just because of the nature of your very specific channel. I'm the guy who makes messes in reverse. Just seems hard to deal with. Hard to love. What is this? You're scooping the wax? This oddly satisfying video is relieving my stress, but making me wonder, which is making me stress. Why don't I know what's going on? Floral foam, more like welcome home, baby. I want to live in you. What do you say? What is that, a potato? What is that? Picasso? This is makeup? I don't believe you. If there's a face on the other side of this, I'm gonna freak out. Okay, I still don't know, but I guess we'll figure it out. Oh, it's gonna be a strawberry. No, it's not. It's someone's face. Definitely wrapped up in a Ziploc. My children. That's morbid. Never mind. What is this? This feels wrong. The heck? Put the eggs onto eggs.
Ooh, I love a good satisfying mango. It's so thick and juicy. It's literally dripping.
I've never been unsatisfying, but
so fast.
You're just trying to be weird.
What the? What kind of bartending witchcraft is this? To make it even more satisfying, I would have stopped after the 4th cup because the last 3 were the same color. But it's still very nice.
Honestly based. What is this? Some sort of fidget woman toy? Some sort of small woman to help me stop fidgeting or continue to, but in this way? With the tube! With the tube you go in! You're so long and kinetic. What are you making, hot dogs? Scalpel. Perfect, perfect. Oh, God. Why are you doing surgery on the lipstick? Ooh, just for the sound? You're a sicko. Stop it. Leave those hot dogs alone. All right, let her cook. Clearly a mad scientist, not a chef, but let her cook. But if the cops come, I didn't see nothing. Okay, what is it? Oh, you made makeup. Yes, that made up for it. Yar? What are you having, a garage sale? Everything's half off. Everything's all off. Just come talk to me and take my stuff. No prices, just free. These prices are on fire! This is a fire sale! The deed to my house, here it is! Doing arts and crafts, but I'm listening to it and screaming. Now do this with my eyelashes. Whose filthy rug is this? That's one nasty carpet. Let's go! He's doing it! My boy! It's Dirt Reynolds! That guy had a tough act to follow, I suppose. Them's the breaks, I guess. Can't all be, what was his name? Mr. Reynolds. I need some quick answers here before I have to call somebody. What in the Toy Story untrustworthy child is going on? What in the better be an art project or is clearly a cry for help is going on? What in the good golly your father and I are getting a divorce and this is your fault? What is going on? I'm distraction. Okay, at least you're painting clothes on it. It makes it immensely less weird. The authorities will be here in any minute. Okay. What is this? TikTok in a box? You're not gonna tell me. You're gonna show me. It's eggs that you put the TikTok logo on. Interesting. And now we have water in a bucket and now you're what is going on? All right, day 2. These plastic eggs are oozing. Someone's coming out of there. And it's gonna be me. Oh, God. What are you doing there, bud? Oh, you're doing their makeup. Why didn't you say so? They're beautiful. Oh, yeah. Am I insane or... Oh, why do you keep doing this to me? This is messed up. Please come home. I forgive you, Sharon. Dude, what the heck are you doing on that thing? Taking a gosh dang... What? I literally can't think of anything that would get that so dirty. What did you put that in, a horse's stable? Like, that is really small to be even worth cleaning, I'm gonna be honest. Like, is this your granddad's favorite rug or something? I feel like this could be replaced. It doesn't, you know? Just all the poop on it, I feel like you just buy a new one. But I feel like this is more about how you could clean it, and you just wanted to make this happen regardless, so go off, I guess. Okay, what do we got here? He's putting Coke in an orange. And this guy put his cat in the bath, huh? Why? Blue waffle? Back in my day, I remember. What'd you find there, buckaroo? It's Dad's razor. Definitely gonna have to plug this bad boy right in my computer. Might need an extension cord. Thing's still attached. Oh! Oh, yeah. My goodness. Susan, that's not lazy at all. I'm so impressed. All right, I'm over it. The ASMR factory. I'm putting the sand in the coffee maker and the cracker in the cruncher. Don't talk to me until all these graham crackers are dust. We have a deadline, a quota to make, Jerry. You gotta start taking this more serious. Peanut butter in the dust, and put the dust on my desk. Wish them up. This is gross for some reason. I made a patty. Oh, you're making McDonald's? You're making peanut butter chicken nuggets with that... I don't know. I feel like you're breaking a lot of FDA regulations here. I'm not sure I'm interested in your product. But maybe you could try it. Interesting giant. You done it. Ugh, what the... Those look gross. Oh, this lipstick will never not have green around it again. Okay, this is not a craft, guys. I'm gonna be honest. You really didn't do much. You really thought you did something here. Maybe, perhaps. Okay, yeah. I guess you could do... You could. Like, the earrings were fine, but now you fixed them. Whatever this is helping you with. Yeah. Now no one will zip up this jacket on my watch. Or you made a new zipper. Okay, I guess that's useful. Then now my paint... Oh, I'll have a cool room that'll make my schizophrenic episodes that much more eventful. And water? Who doesn't like fun water? Hydrating has never been more. I'm high on Drayton. I don't know about you guys. And this bird, I've caged him. That seemed random, didn't it? Okay, anyway, back to paper clips. Yeah, you thought you weren't gonna make the purple waffle on my watch. Adorable. Wait, what does this say? Black pink, okay. Pink, wait, what? Yar! Me and my giant egg. I'm gonna fill it with nothing. I'm actually gonna fill it with me. I'm actually gonna break it into pieces and make it inedible and stupid. And then make it liquid again, and then back into something else, and then a sword. What is going on here? This man's abusing chocolate. He needs to take a rest. Oh my, what is the point? Okay, you do you, man. And the balloon, he's the king of the chocolate, the king of Atlantis, the king of the ocean. I'm hollowed out Harry. Whoa, build it right on your painting. Amateur hour over here. You're gonna want to not do that in the future, so maybe just learn the basics first before you waste all of our time. You're making it up for it with this Marvel Comics nonsense, but I mean, definitely, your nether portal, I mean, it looks good, but definitely don't spill anything on it, okay? Like 6 out of 10 for sure. Thank you guys for freaking watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. It helps me out a lot. I always appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.